I'm David Berlin with Blockchain Journal, and I'm standing here on the street, the main promenade in Davos, Switzerland, where, as you can tell, it is snowing right now. And what's about to take place here is an event that has not taken place for 3 years on time. It's been disrupted by COVID, and that is the World Economic Forum. So here we are, it's time for World Economic Forum 2023. And as you can see behind me, the streets are pretty busy, and all the shops in the town have been taken over by all sorts of companies and organizations who are hoping to attract world business leaders and the world leaders of different countries into their buildings to talk about whatever it is their issue that they think they need to talk about here at World Economic Forum. And these issues span from sustainability of the earth to world hunger to how we get the economy back on track globally around the world. So I'll be here in Davos looking for a lot of great stories, and especially looking for stories about blockchain as an application platform. So stay tuned to more video from blockchainjournal.com.